This person has made over $585,000 selling a bundle of videos on a website where there are lots of millions of around 100 million ready-made customers, and more customers come in from Google every day. In this video, I'm going to share how they do it, how you can do it without experience, without technical knowledge, without a website, without hosting server, without ever made a single penny online. Sounds good? Let's begin. And before we begin, hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button. We made this channel with a goal to help 100 million people learn how to make money online the right way, easy way, and the fun way in the next 10 years, and we cannot do it without your help. And we need only two things from you. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family, social media contacts, chat groups, Reddit, Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, everywhere. I forgot WhatsApp and Messenger too. Please share this video with everyone. Not only you are learning how to make money online, but also you will help others learn how to make money online. They will love you, they will follow you, and they will eventually become your first customer. Love the idea? That's how I make money. So let's do this. If you're not making enough money online, if you are on debt, then chances are your credit score is not so good. So I wanted to know more about credit score, and I found 165 searches about what is good credit score. What is good credit score? This search happens on Google every month 165,000 times. Now you know how many people need this information. I searched on Google and found lots of free information. Then I got curious, okay, what about Udemy? Are there people who are selling courses on credit repair or credit information? And guess what? I found 1,156 results. So many courses about credit score, credit repair, etc. And this particular course has generated $500,000. Now you must be saying, Mosh, I hate everything about course. I cannot make course. I don't want even any course. I hear you, because I am just like you. I hate courses. But course is not actually a course. If you take a deeper look and go to the course content section and click expand all sections, you will find only 49 lectures. Oh, forget about lectures. 49 simple videos. No, let's make it simpler. 49 information videos. And they are like 2 minutes long, 1 minute long, 4 minutes long, 10 minutes is the maximum. Reviewing your credit report. Okay, this one is a long one, and reviewing needs some extra knowledge. But to start learning and making videos needs nothing but free YouTube application on your phone or on your computer and my software Epic. Okay, we'll go to how you do it, but before that, let me introduce to you Epic. Epic is an artificial intelligence software. Epic allows you to make videos from image, text, and links without you being on the camera. Epic generates voiceover, natural voiceover from text, and Epic helps you write scripts and contents using artificial intelligence without you typing a single word, using just a push of a button. You can get Epic for free from the link in the description. Go grab it. Alright, now the video creation problem is solved. Now let me show you what happens when you make simple videos using Epic and publish them on YouTube. Look at this. I searched with what is credit score. I went to the shorts feed. Look at the shorts feed. 39,000 views, 219,000 views. If you scroll, you'll find hundreds of thousands of views on every shorts video. Why am I talking about shorts, and why these shorts are getting this 1 minute videos getting so many thousands of views, if not millions of views? Because these short videos or shorts is a new feature on YouTube, and YouTube is pushing hard, promoting hard to make shorts popular. And this makes the creator's life extremely easy. We're just making a video and getting hundreds, if not thousands of views sent by YouTube. So go to YouTube and learn about credit score, learn about credit repair. Not only it will help you work on your credit score and improve your own credit score, but also it will give you the information that you can put in Epic and make simple videos, publish on YouTube, and make money. How much money can you make? Well, $585,000 from Udemy alone. And when you are getting all these views, ask your viewers, hey guys, come here. Link in the description. There is my course. Go get that course. It will help you repair your credit. All this start with Epic. Link is in the description. Go grab Epic for free. Start learning and making simple videos at the same time. Bundle them and sell them as a course on Udemy. It's free. Then publish your course on YouTube one by one. Put your Udemy course link in the description and ask your viewers to grab your course from Udemy. You will make money from selling your own course, and if you want, you can direct your viewers to join your email list. Build relationship with them by sending good, informative, and entertaining emails, and then in future, whenever you ask them to buy something, they will buy from you. And we build our shorts using our software Epic. It is super simple to use Epic. Simply create new, give your video a name, select vertical, click create. You got a vertical canvas. If you want to add an image, copy image address from any source, paste it here, and your image is imported. You can resize it, rotate it, make it dramatic. You can add text, resize the text, and do all kinds of formatting. If you want a voiceover and you want to copy from anywhere, you can do it. Just copy from any website you want or place you want. Click the text generator, paste it right here. Use our AI or artificial intelligence to rewrite for you, or use the spinner to rewrite your choice. Let's use the spinner, and the text you copied from somewhere is rewritten. Copy the text, take it and go to the audio section. Either you can upload your own audio or record your own audio from your mic, or use the text to audio to add natural voiceover using the application. Give it a name, choose your favorite voice type, paste the text here, then click submit. Go to the text to audio section, click add.
Residence technique pro guide.
And your bite-sized video is ready. You can make it any length, and you can add multiple bite-sized videos to make any length. Save your work to come back and add more videos sections. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. This is exactly how we made this video right here, and we are getting views organically from YouTube 100% free. This is a 1-minute video and it took 10 minutes to create. Super simple. Go get Epic from the link in the description. This is how to make money online. Easy way, the right way, and the fun way. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online. Hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. This way you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next video.